Hello, my little creatives, and welcome to Drawfully Fun Draw with me. Today, we're going to be working on two adorable little love turtles. I can't wait to get started. This is one of my favorite drawings, so let's waste no time and let's get started. Let's go ahead and jump right into the drawing by starting with the first turtle on the right side. This is going to be the little boy turtle. He's so adorable. He's got a bow tie. He's so cute. He's so proper. I love him. Super adorable. Let's start with a rainbow curve for his eye right here. We're going to start about midway of the page. We want to slant our little rainbow curve a little bit upwards because this is going to be the base of our eye. We're going to come up here and do a big egg shape all the way around. Boop. Easy peasy. All right, now we have our little turtle looking to the left. He's looking at his little girlfriend over here. So we want this pupil facing left, just like this. So draw a nice curve right in the middle of the eye. And we're going to do that again. We're going to set up for our ladders. So do another line right behind that one. And then let's climb. Here at Drawfully Fun, we draw ladders in our eyes. This is the part that gets the color. So let's climb all the way up to the tippity top. Just like that. Now, if you want to color your color your purple. No, color your turtle. Color your turtle's eyes purple, pink, blue, yellow, green, whatever color you want to do. Go ahead and only color that little ladder right here. The outside stays white. The inside's going to be nice and dark, but before we color it nice and dark, let's give it some highlights. Let's give some sparkles. Let's do a big sparkle on top. Itty bitty sparkle on the bottom. And here we always color our pupils at Drawfully Fun. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I do. I think it's creepy when we have empty eyes. We gotta have cute, adorable eyes. All right. Now, on most of my reptiles, amphibians, and all these other little creatures, cold-blooded creatures, I like to do little hoods over the eyes. So we're not going to have eyebrows today. It's going to look like a big eyebrow, but it's not. This is more like an eyelid right over our turtle's eye. Just like that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's come over here and do the snout. We're going to do the big old nose. It's going to look like the letter C. So let's come here from the corner of our hood. Bring it all the way around and make a letter C shape all the way to the back. Boop, like that. We're kind of gonna go. Okay, yeah, we can say that. We're kind of gonna go right under the middle of our eye. Just about right here is where I want to guide myself. Actually, no, I lied. I'm sorry. I want to go more. Let's keep going. Nope. All the way up. I want to go to the back of our eye, and this is where we're going to do our smiley face curve. We want him to have a really big smiley face. And then we're going to do an open mouth. So from the corner here, bring this around, boop, and do a tongue right in the middle. Bloop, with a little line coming out. But let's take this up a little bit more. Let's make a little lip line. Let's give it some more depth here. Let's create a half. Oh my Lord, I can't talk today. Words are hard, y'all. Words are hard. Let's give him a half of a happy face curve going up to about where the tongue ends right here. All right. Now let's do another little eye over here, but this is going to be the back side of our eye, kind of like the hood, but from the back. So right here, let's just do another little rainbow curve, boop, to give the illusion that there's a second eye back there. There we go. And then we're going to create the back of our head. So from about right here, kind of follow this invisible path going behind the eye and create a big curve going all the way around to the back. And this is going to be the little neckline. Boop. Tiny little curve, just like that. Easy, easy. Oh, he's so cute. I love it. Love it, love it. All right, now I want to create a bow tie here before we can actually create the belly line. So he's going to be a proper little turtle taking his girlfriend out on the town. You know, he's got to have his bow tie. So let's go ahead and create a little circle right here in the middle, and then our puffies for our bow tie. Now you can create the bow however you like. I like to do these little butterfly shapes, but you can do anything you like. Like that. Now I want to give it some more of a kind of a, what's the word I'm looking for? The folded ribbon. When you fold it, when you tie it, a tied ribbon. There you go. See, words are hard. We're going to make it look like a tied bow. So I'm going to come over here from the corner of this circle, bring it up, and then another one right here, bring it up. There we go. So it looks like a folded bow tie. Super, super cute. Now we got to close this gap right here. So just do a little line to create the illusion that that's the neckline right there. Easy, easy. Now we can come over here and make the belly curve more like a chest curve. His belly is going to be somewhere back here. This is a chest line coming down. So follow this another. Oh my Lord, y'all. This is not a good way to come back, is it? Let's create another little line coming from back here all the way down. Make a cute little curve. Bloop. Make it look like a happy face like that. And we're leaving off more or less where we left off on this line right here. Okay, so we're setting up so we can have some cute little arms pop out here. So let's do the first arm. We're going to do the leg, not arm, leg. 4 legs, not arms. Let's do the first leg. So from the bow tie, bring this down into a little curve facing to the left. All right, we're going to do another one here for the inner leg. Bloop, like that. And we're going to close this little, I don't want to do a straight line across. I think it's just too harsh. I want to make it kind of curved. So small little happy face curve, very slightly. It does look a little straight across, but it does have a hint of a curve. And this is where you can do cute little nails all the way around. 1, 2, 3. Boop. Super cute. I love him. Super, super cute. Let's do another one over here. So first, before I can do that, I want to create this little closure right up here and kind of make it match where I left off here. So from this little curve we did, create another curve opposite of that. Boop, like that. This is the beginning of the shell. So this is the little corner of the shell that's meeting up to the right arm. Now, we're going to make this look like a rainbow, but it's a rainbow on a slanted curve. So we're going to come around here and close this whole entire section and make it look like a big rainbow slanting to the left. Kind of like if the sun is calling it. Bloop. So it wants to go left, like that. And we're going to close out this little section with another happy face curve, like that. Easy peasy. Let's do little nails. 1, 2, 3. Super, super cute. Love it. We could do the chest line curve. Come here to make it look like an underbelly. So just make another rainbow curve going all the way around to the leg. Boop. Just like that. And this is where we're going to have little scale lines where we draw ladders going all the way down our belly. Like that. All right, let's get to the main section of our turtle that really makes it look like a turtle. Let's create this big shell right here on the back. So from about just above the mid of the leg, we're going to create a border for our shell right here. And it's going to look like a rectangle with a round curve at the end. So right here, bring this around, create a curve at the end, and back down. Boop, like that. Nice long looking stick. And this is where we're going to close out the entire shell. So from the top of the head, bring this around and create a big curve. Going like that. Now you can make yours big, you can make it small, you can make it medium, whatever size you want. Nobody can tell you how to do your drawing but you. So do it however you like. All right, let's create a little curve on the bottom here just to show an underbelly. So from here, bring this down to the leg, bloop, like that. All right, almost done on this one, guys, almost done. Let's create another leg right back here. Now, we're only going to have 3 visible legs. That 4th one is hiding somewhere back here, so we're not going to have a 4th one. From this little corner right here, bring this down in an angle, bloop, like that. Bring another one down just behind this leg. We're going to pretend like it's hiding a little bit back here, and then we're going to close this little section out with another curve. Like that, and add little toenails, bloop, 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 boop, like that. Super cute. If you want to add just a little bit more detail from here, kind of follow this little invisible path and create a tiny piece right back here to give the illusion that this is part of the shell. Here we go. So our first turtle is done. This is the official outline for the first one. We got to give him a little girlfriend over here, or maybe this could be a little sister. This could be a brother sister. Maybe it's a dad with his daughter. I don't know. You decide what you want. For me, it's going to be the boyfriend girlfriend right over here. Two little love turtles. So let's come over here and do the same thing we did for him. But we're going to start a little different for her. Instead of starting with the eye like we did for him, I want to start with the nose because I want to use this little guy's nose as a reference point. So their noses are very close to each other, kind of about to nose kiss almost. So we're going to go ahead and create a little C-shaped curve just like we did for this one, but backwards. So come around from right here and create that C-shaped curve going all the way up, boop, like that. And this is where that smiley face curve is going to go, right here. And so see how we left off on kind of the back of the eye? We can use this now as our starting point to where our rainbow curve is going to go for the eye. So about right here, midway of our smiley face curve, bring it up and start a rainbow right here. Boop, like that. This is where that big eyeball is going to go. So go ahead and draw a big circle all the way around, like that. And of course, let's do the same process we did for him with our ladders. We're going to have her looking to him, so that means her pupil is looking to the right. So go ahead and do a curve going down the middle, facing to the right. Same exact thing right behind that. And our ladders all the way up to the tippity top. There we go. Same thing with the sparkles. Big sparkle on top. Itty bitty sparkle on the bottom. Now you see what I mean here? This looks cute. This looks creepy. Cute, creepy, cute, creepy. Let's make this one cute. I don't want that empty eye. It just doesn't look right. There we go. See? Much better. She's adorable. I love it. Love it, love it. Let's go ahead and do the same thing we did here for the mouth. We're going to come here from the corner and make a big old curve. All the way down. Make our little tongue like that. And then another little lip line right here. So from the nose, bring it around. Happy face curve all the way up. There you go. Super cute. She looks a little smaller than him if you haven't gotten the drift yet. So she's just a little smaller. He's a little bigger. Now, I want to create this big hood. See how we have a gap right here in between? That's for that hood that we're going to create right now. So come around, do a big hood going all the way and connect it to where that snout is. Boop, like that. See, it's coming along. It's coming along. Looking super cute. Let's do the back side of the head. Same thing. I'm going to make hers just a tad bit smaller. Not as pronounced as his back here. Make it go a little further down like this. And into a little curve. So hers doesn't have this huge bump right here. It's more of a flat side like that. Make it look a little more soft. All right. Now she's going to have a big bow on top of her head versus the bow on the front here. So she's going to have a cute, elegant bow. Like I said, they're going out on the town, y'all. They are going to a formal little party and they're going to look their best. So let's go ahead and create that little bow up here. Half of a little bubble on top of that eye and the little puffies on the side. Like that. And another one right here. Boop. We're going to give it that folded effect as well. So from the corner here, bring it upwards. And this one, bring it upwards. Boop. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, looking good. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I love these guys. All right, let's come down here and do the same chest curve that we have for him. Bring it all the way down. Boop, more or less where we left off on that one so that we can get our legs. Now this process is going to be exactly the same process that we just did for him. Everything that we wanted to change is changed. So now if you did this without any problem, you're not going to have any problem on this side. So let's follow the same exact steps. We're going to start from over here just like we did for him. We're going to create a leg coming down to the right. You kind of leave off right next to him so that it looks like they're about to hold their little hands. Let's bring another one down here and curve out the bottom. Like that. Easy peasy. Let's do our little nails. 1, 2, 3. Like that. All right, and then we have this little curve here to start the little shell. So from this little curvature part of the neckline, bring this down, boop, like that. And same effect that we have here with the slanted rainbow curve, we're going to do that here. So we're going to curve around, close this gap we have here, and make a rainbow curve slanted to the right this time. So big slant, bloop, like that. And close out the bottom. Easy peasy. Same little nails right over here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Super, super cute. Let's do that same little chest line right here. We're going to go all the way up into a rainbow and down to the back of the leg. Boop. Easy peasy. Let's go ahead and do the ladders. Do those cute little scales for the underbelly. All the way down. Awesome, awesome. Same curve for our little shell right here. We're going to go all the way back, as far back as you want your shell to go. Come back around and back down. Super cute. Same little belly line right here. Hers is going to be a tad bit smaller, so we're going to start it from about right here. Boop, like that. And then we have her shell. So her shell can start from right here on her bow, right here on her head, wherever you feel like you want to start that. Just bring it all the way around, make a big rainbow curve, and come to the corner of that border, all the way around. And last but not least, we have the little arm, the little leg right back here. Same little curve, just like the little boys. Boop, like that. And close it out to the back. Like that. Let's do the nails just to finalize our cuteness here. 1, 2, 3. Boop. Easy peasy. And of course, if you really want to make them look like they're in love, go ahead and put that big old heart right in the middle. And then you can design whatever you want on these shells. Sky's the limit. Get creative with this. My students go crazy on this and they make such amazing designs. I've seen stars, moons. I've seen some 90s designs, a retro design on some of them. They've gone crazy. I've seen somebody turn it into Bowser, some spikies up here. They made it look like a really cool dinosaur looking turtle. Amazing, amazing thing my little creative students do. So I encourage you to get creative and do something different with this. Now, I originally did hearts all over mine. Hers is going to be a love shell. So I just create hearts all over the place, upside down, tiny little ones, in just different directions, just to give it a little bit of contrast. One right over here. Boop. You get the idea. Kind of making one look like it's going on the other side, like that. Maybe a little one right here. Bloop, bloop. And then a tiny one kind of going underneath this border. Bloop, like that. Again, you can do whatever you like. I think one's missing here. Let's do a little one right here. Bloop. Like that. Oh, super cute, super cute. For him, I just did blobs. I couldn't think of anything I truly wanted to do for him. So I just made cute little blobs going all the way around. Kind of like camouflage blobs. So you can do whatever you like. Bloop. Kind of like right here. Let's do another one right here. Super, super cute. Some little ones. Maybe a really big one right here. Kind of showing off, boop, that section. And a little one in this corner, and a little one over here. Whatever you like, you get the idea, right? You can make a whole entire setting here. You can make some grass, you can make the sky, you can make whatever you like. You're creative, right? You can do anything you want. It's your drawing. Nobody can tell you how to do it but you. Remember that. All right, guys, this is the completed outline of your love turtles. And as always, you know, I will never forget to show you the completed version. All right, everybody, you know the drill. If you liked what we did here today, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help the algorithm push more drawings out to you that I've done. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell to get notified of all of my future content. I have a lot of new characters in store for you guys. Coming very soon is going to be my all-time favorite character. Her name is Pop-Tart. That's all I'm going to tell you. For those of you that know me and that have taken classes with me, you know who Pop-Tart is, so get ready. Pop-Tart is on the way. For those of you that don't know, well, stay tuned. It is an amazing character. All right, everybody, until the next time, happy creating.